Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 5 Explore the World, Chapter Philately. What is it? So, let me start. Philately is the collectionist study of postage. Okay, जो ticket होते हैं छोटे डाक ticket stamps. It expands our knowledge of the world. Shown below are some stamps. Can you complete the names of the countries they were issued by? 1. Germany. Poland. 3. Japan. 4. South Africa. Britain. Number 6. Romania. And 7 is India. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Monuments of the world. These pictures show some fascinating monuments of the world. Read the clues and name these places. Pick your answers from the help box. 1. This is 1. This huge monument in Java is a popular Buddhist pilgrimage site. ये है बोरोबुदर. This is Borobudur. Number 2. This temple in Madurai, India is dedicated to goddess Meenakshi and Lord Shiva. Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Sundareshwar Temple. Number 3. This ancient city in Pakistan, now in ruins, dates back to the Indus Valley in civilization. The name of this city means the Mount of the Dead. Hagia Sophia. Number 4. This structure located in Istanbul, Turkey was a church that was made a mosque and currently a museum. Istanbul, Turkey. Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro. Number 5. This heritage site located in Peru, built in mid-15th century, was not discovered till the 20th century. ये है Machu Picchu. 6. This beautiful House of Bushes is located in New Delhi, India. It was completed in 1986 and has won many awards for its unique design. Lotus Temple. Number 7. This bridge opened in 1937 in San Francisco, USA and took less than 5 years to be built. Golden Gate Bridge. Number 8. Situated in Beijing, China, this is one of the world's largest palace complexes. This place was a seat of power during the rule of the Ming and the Qing dynasties. ये है Forbidden City. Dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Mountains of the world. How well do you know the mountains of the world? Answer these questions to find out. Question number 1. Which mountain range marks the traditional boundary between Asia and Europe? Urals. Name the highest mountain in Japan that is also an active volcano. Mount Fuji. The second highest mountain in the world, K2, is located in which range? Kashmir Range. The Appalachian mountain range is located in which continent? North America. 5. Name the active volcano in India. Barren Island. Name number 6. Name the range that runs parallel to the Rocky Mountains in North America. ये है सीरिया. नेवार. Name the longest mountain range on the land in the world. Angus. Mount Blanc belongs to which mountain range? The Alps. Number 9. Which two countries of the world are connected by the Khyber Pass? Pakistan and Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan. Number 10. Which mountain range forms a natural boundary between Italy and Switzerland in Europe? Mount Alps. Which is the highest mountain peak in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. Twelve. In which country will you find the twin peaks of Great Ararat and Little Ararat? ये है तुर्की. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Famous sports of the world. Famous sports of the world. A port is a location on a coast or shore containing one or more harbors where ships can dock and transfer people or cargo to or from land. Okay, so read about some ports here. Kochi in Kerala is a chief seaport of India. It is located in the Arabian Sea, also known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea. The port has been an important spice trading center since the 14th century. कोची केरला में कोची में जो है ये पोर्ट है अरेबियन सी के पास. ठीक है, और ये जो है 14th सेंचुरी से यहाँ पे है. Shanghai is a major industrial and commercial center of China. It is the world's largest container port. Located at the mouth of the Hudson River, New York City is one of the most important ports in the USA. It is also one of the best natural harbors of the world. The port of Singapore is one of the world's busiest ports. It is located at the southern tip of the Strait of Malacca, which joins the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea. This port is an important center for international shipping, transport, and communication since it links major Asian countries like the Indian subcontinent with China and Japan. The port of Melbourne is Australia's busiest port of containerized and general cargo. It is located in the Melbourne. In September 2016, the port's commercial operations were leased to the Lonsdale Consortium. So, situated on the Black Sea, the historic city of Istanbul in Turkey is a major port. It covers the natural harbor known as the Golden Horn and inlet of the Istanbul Strait. It divides the city into two parts so that one part falls in Asia and the other in Europe. So, the port of Rotterdam in the Netherlands is the largest port in Europe. It is connected to the North Sea by a canal. Next one is Casablanca in Morocco is among the most important ports of Africa. It is the largest artificial port in the world and one of the largest city in the Arab world. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Rivers of the world. Read the clues and fill in the crossword with the term related to a river. Down. The point where two rivers join. Confluence. Number 3. A stream or river which flows into another river. Tributary. Food. The surface on which a rivers flow. Bed. 5. The origin of a river. Source. 2. The point at which a river ends in a larger body of water. Mouth. The sides that hold a river in bounds. Banks. 6. The path of a river. Course. Next question B. Match the countries with their capitals and the rivers on which the capitals are situated. Okay. Country, capital and river. पहले का E. Tokyo and Sumida. 2. France. France, Paris, Clang. यानी कि D. Scene 8. 3. China. A. 5. 4. South Korea. F. 3. 5. Iraq. B. And 6. 6. Australia. H. 4. 7. Malaysia. C. Kuala Lumpur. 7. Klang. Egypt. Cairo. G. And 1. Nil Nadi. Okay. Answers. Which answers? Okay, चाहे हम इनको यहाँ पे मेंशन करें चाहे यहाँ पे लिख दें. चलिए लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे भी. फर्स्ट जापान. टोक्यो सुमिदा. 2. D. Paris सीन. 3. A5 यानी कि बीजी येलो. 4. F3 Seoul Han. 5. B6 Paris Tigris. 6. H4 Canberra Mulonglo. 7. Malaysia C. Kuala Lumpur Klang. 8 इजिप्ट GI यानी कि कैरो और नील G1. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. World of deep water. The world of seas and oceans is fascinating, vast, beautiful, and rich with marine life. Find the answers in the grid. Also, read the clues given below and answer them. 1. This is the largest ocean on Earth. Pacific. This ocean lies between the continents of Europe and Africa on one side and South America and North America on the other. Atlantic. This ocean lies near the North Pole. Arctic. 4. The continent of Antarctica is located in this hemisphere. Southern. A part of the sea or of a large lake party surrounded by a wide curve of the land. Bay. चलिए अब इसको फिल करते हैं. Pacific. Atlantic. Arctic. Southern. And last one is Bay. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are understand all chapters. So we will meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.